This is everything you need to know about how to install a smoke alarm. Hi, I'm Ash. Smoke alarms are important to have in your house, unit, apartment or commercial building to protect you and avoid fires. Let's get into it. Each Australian state and territory has different regulations on how many smoke alarms you can have in your home, apartment or building. So make sure you check your state's regulations. For example, all Victorian residential properties must have a smoke alarm on every level. This includes units, apartments, flats and townhouses. In Queensland, they are required to have interconnected photoelectric smoke alarms in all bedrooms, hallways that connect bedrooms with the rest of the dwelling and on every level. It's important that alarms are installed in the correct locations around your home. Don't place smoke detectors over stoves, ovens, clothes dryers, or in areas where there is potential for significant heat or steam generation. Avoid installing alarms within 1.5 metres of ceiling vents, ceiling fans and air conditioners to avoid false alarms. Firstly, you need to make sure that the alarms you are purchasing are compatible with each other. In case of an emergency, you want to make sure that if one alarm goes off, it tells the other one to go off. For this particular smoke alarm, choose one as the master. Press the button 3 times. A red light followed by a blue light should appear on the back. With the secondary smoke alarm, press the button 3 times, turn it around. On the back it will show a red light followed by a green light, which ensures it's connected to the primary smoke alarm. Using the mounting plate, place this in the desired location and mark where the holes should be drilled. From here, pre-drill 2 holes with a diameter of 5mm. Using the push plugs that come with the smoke alarm, insert these into the holes. Insert the screws into the mounting plate and then tighten them firmly into the plugs. Place the smoke alarm on the mounting plate and secure it by twisting this clockwise. To ensure you've installed the smoke alarm correctly, press the test button. If there isn't a sound, the smoke alarm isn't functioning properly. You may need to look into resetting this. Most smoke detectors have a red reset button. Hold that down for approximately 15 to 20 seconds. Cleaning around your smoke alarms twice a year, simply by dusting or vacuuming, can help eliminate false alarms. And there you have it. Your home is now set up with smoke alarms to help protect you, your loved ones, and your home. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.